Hello, Heartbreakers. Thank you so much for joining me at HEARTCORE at Home. Today's class, there's going to be a lot of upper body, a lot of core. We actually have no lunges in this class today. So the focus is mobility and strength. So for class today, you're going to need your handlebars that attach to your back platform. And then you want to have your long black cables, and make sure that your black cables have pretty much all the attachments that came with your original packaging of the black cables. So you need your black cables for class today because we're doing scrambled eggs and we're doing upper body exercises. And then also, I recommend having some sort of towel or a mini pillow or a shirt to help support your knee when we're doing the scrambled egg series at the sides of the micro. So Heartbreaker, let's get started. So you want to be on one light spring, one black spring for a really major challenge. We're going to be starting off the back of the machine in a giant reverse wheelbarrow. So if this beginning sequence is too much, it is all good. Just do the exact same movements facing this direction. So let's get started. One light spring. You want your knees on your carriage. So knees on the carriage. And then you want to have your hands grasping the edge of your back platform. You're squeezing your butt. You're making sure that you tucked your tailbone in. I just don't want to be like this. So make sure that you're not sticking your booty out. You're pulling your tailbone in and your frontal hip points in. So big inhale, resisting, and pulling yourself in. So this is an upper body exercise as well as a core exercise. So big inhale, ribs expanding, big exhale, squeezing your lower abs, squeezing your upper abs, squeezing your pelvic floor muscles. So if you want to have kind of like a slower start to class, make it a smaller range of motion. But if you want to get started like right away, make it big. So remember, distance is resistance, right? So all the way out, all the way right back in. Make sure that you're squeezing your glutes too. If your butt is relaxed, your lower abs will be relaxed, all right? Big inhale, exhale through your mouth, squeeze your abs in. All right, and really think about also pressing your palms away from your platform. It's easy to kind of sink in here, but you don't want to sink, right? You want to press away, activate your upper back muscles. Inhale back, exhale, pull it in. So we got a scrambled egg series in this class, so we're prepping our core for the scrambled egg series. The last 10 seconds here. Resist that negative tension. Last few seconds, Heartbreaker. All right, so next up is our plank to pike, giant reverse plank to pike. So you can be on the forearms or on your palms. I'm gonna be on my palms here to work more of my upper body. So you're in this plank and then you pike up your hips. And then slowly resist right back down. So modification, same exact move on the knees. Slowly up, and with control, your core muscles are resisting back into that plank position. So the biggest thing I'll see here that's done incorrectly is the shoulders will be too far in front of the wrist. So make sure your shoulders stay on top of your wrist the whole time. Slowly down. Activate your lats here. Activate your rotator cuffs. Slowly up. Slowly down. Entire body's active here. Last 10 seconds. One more good rep. Now bring your hands on your high bars. We got French twist on the right side. So you want to slip your right foot under the strap of your carriage, left foot cross behind it. And I really want you to be pressing your palms away, activating your lats. And what you're going to do is you're going to drop your right hip towards the floor. And then with control, you drive your heels in. When I drive my heels and I drop my heels, I feel my lower abs activating. So big inhale, drop. Stop when you created a diagonal line with your body and you drive your heels in. So we're prepping this right oblique for the scrambled egg series that we got coming up shortly. Resist, so we can feel all your core muscles slowing down your carriage. Then feel all your core muscles in your right oblique sucking the carriage in. And listen, your lats are active, right? Your triceps are active. This is, again, so full body. This is why this is the most effective workout if you only have a little bit of time to work out. Resist. Resist it. And making sure it's a continuous flow. Resist out. Drive your heels in. Pull it in last 10 seconds, heartbreaker. Resist. Resist. Heels rise as you're in this kind of like twisted plank. Then you drive your heels in. Okay, so next up, we're doing the exact same thing, but now on the platform, all right? So teaser to pike, hands at the side of your platform. You're in this like twisted plank, and then you pike up your hips. If this is too intense, get into a kneeling side crunch. I'm gonna show that in a second. Pick up, pick up, pick up, and resist right back in. Resist, resist, resist. Like that, that's teaser to pike. So for the kneeling side crunch, what you wanna do is you wanna cross your left knee over your right knee, and you're dropping your hips, rounding your spine, scooping your tailbone in, and resisting. Resist, feeling that right oblique resisting, and then rounding it in. Making sure your shoulders are on top of your elbows the whole time. Last 10 seconds. Inhale out, exhale through your mouth. Round your spine in. Resist. Feel your upper back muscles activating. Last few seconds. Okay, so now on your machine, I want you to go to one black spring, if you're not already on it yet. So one black, and for a big, big challenge, one black, one white spring. We're gonna finish our warm up with a Queen Cobra. So Queen Cobra, so change your springs. Queen Cobra, your lower body is gonna be like this, okay? So you're gonna start with the booty above your heels, hands at the lowest rung of your back platform, and Queen Cobra, you're resisting down, spine stays neutral, and then you're pressing through your palms, feeling your lats, triceps, rotator cuffs activating. So resisting for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4, and again, using the back of your body to pull yourself in. So big inhale. Exhale, squeeze your pelvic floor, squeeze your lower abs, squeezing and also squeezing your lats, all right? So resist, resist. So you're prepping your back muscles for the scrambled eggs that we got coming up, okay? Because a lot about scrambled eggs is stabilizing with the upper body. That's what makes it so challenging. Inhale down, exhale, squeeze. I want you to really pull your belly button into your spine every time you pull yourself in here, okay? So big inhale. Exhale, squeeze your pelvic floor, squeeze yourself in. I want you to shut your carriage to your back platform. Shut it, hold it there, and then resist, 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 resist. And make sure you're not getting into the stretch here. I want you to be right before you get to the stretch, and then pull yourself in. Another huge thing is that spine is neutral. So you see my spine, it is neutral. It's not rounding, right? So I don't want to be tucking my tailbone. I don't want to be rounding. It's booty out, chest open. Spine neutral. Exhale. Pull yourself in, close. Carriage to platform and resist. Resist, 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 and pull, 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 pull. So again, what do we do in our real life with our upper body? We push and we pull, right? So that's why this is so important. We train pulling for the upper body. Last 10 seconds. And hold it right here. So to finish off this Queen Cobra, I want to do some elbow pulls to work the triceps. So arms long and just pull yourself in. So your torso is going to be kind of like parallel, all right? So you're resisting it out. Use your triceps, your rotator cuffs, pull yourself in. So resist it. Inhale out, exhale, squeeze your abs, triceps, pull yourself in, resist, resist, resist out. Then you pull yourself in. Resist out, resist out. Exhale through your mouth, squeeze your belly into spine. Last 10 seconds, heartbreaker. So close to finishing the warm up, almost there.